Hello everyone, it's Anzu and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tribute to the beautiful Pidgin doll who is created by the artist Joshua David McKinney. I've been in love with her for at least a year now and I've always wanted to recreate one of her makeup looks in my videos. And I'll also be linking Pidgin doll's account in the description below, so make sure to check her out. I've already done my foundation, concealer, basically the base makeup, so I'm just gonna start by filling in my eyebrows. Now I'm getting this cold brown eyeshadow and I'm gonna be starting from the crease of my eye and blend it inside. But I'm getting just a little bit of the product because I don't want the color to be too visible, too heavy. I'm going for a very soft look. As I progress, I will be adding more color to the corners of my eye and blend it together. I'm also trying not to make it too heavy, so I'm not getting too much of a product. I'm also not going for a very pigmented eyeshadow. Now with a transparent powder, I'm just gonna soften the outer part of the eyeshadow. Now I'm getting this white shimmery eyeshadow and I'm just gonna apply it on the inner corners of my eyelid with my finger. Now I'm going a bit more heavy on the outer corners of my eye with the same brown eyeshadow. Now I'm going for the bronze pearl eyeshadow from NYX and I'm gonna be using it on the bottom part of my eye. Now I'll be lining my lash line with a black eyeliner. This is more like an eye pencil, not a liquid eyeliner, and I find it easier to apply when I pull my eyelid up like that. Now it's time for the red eyeliner. I'm gonna be using Vivid Brights eyeliner from NYX, but if you don't have a red eyeliner, you can just use a liquid lipstick and make sure that it's dry before you open your eyes. Before applying fake eyelashes, I'm gonna be using a mascara so that my eyelashes can blend together with the fake eyelashes. Also, this time I cut my fake eyelashes into tiny pieces and applied them one by one directly to the lash line because right now I don't have a black eyeliner on and it's not gonna hide any mistakes, so it's better to take time and reach a perfect result. Now I'm gonna be drawing some fake eyelashes to the bottom part of my eye to make it meet with the red eyeliner I've just done. I'm gonna be using an eyeliner with a very thin, tiny brush. For the blush, I'm gonna be using one from Bershka. And I think they're closing their beauty line in their shops because last time I went, everything was on a crazy sale. Every cosmetic product was on a crazy sale. And I just grabbed this blush and the lip tint before they ran out of them. Now for the moles and the small heart on the face, I'm gonna be using a brown eyeliner. You may think it might not make a big difference if it's a brown or a black eyeliner, but I think it would. I think black would appear much more harsh than brown, so I decided to go with this one. going back to this blush from Bershka, and I'm just gonna be tapping it onto my lips with my finger to give a smudged look. And next I'm gonna be using the shade Alien of the Liquid Sweat lipsticks from NYX. The last step is the highlighter, and I'm gonna be using this lightest shade from the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm gonna use my finger to apply it onto my nose and nose bridge. I'll also apply it to my chin and my shoulders and my collarbones. And with this, our makeup is done. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any other suggestions for the makeup, you can write them in the comments below. I read all of the comments. And also, for the lenses, for the wigs, I usually list them in the description below with their links, so make sure to check them out. So I guess I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye!